lovely people. Ibotta Crystal here. I'm back. I know I didn't do any couponing this weekend, guys, but Friday was my birthday. So I went to dinner with my husband and my children. They took me to dinner. We came back and did presents Friday night. And then the whole weekend I chilled with my husband and he took off work as well. So I went back to work on Tuesday, guys, and I just had a ball. But I'm still celebrating, okay? I celebrate the whole entire month. So I had a great birthday, guys. I thank you all so much for all your birthday wishes. I appreciate you guys so very much. Now, before we jump into this haul, we must do one shout out. Let's shout out Danielle. Danielle decided to use my referral code for Ibotta. Thank you so much, Danielle. I appreciate you thinking about couponing Crystal, because now you're going to take your couponing to a whole nother level. All right, let's jump into this haul. So when I go to Walmart, I always try to check my clearance, and I just happened to find this Old Spice lotion. I scanned it with the Ibotta rebate app, and it did show up as a rebate. That's a combination rebate. So this is priced $3 for the lotion. You have to purchase the pump body wash for the Old Spice, and it was priced $7.47 in my Walmart. So I paid $10.47 in store for the two, got back $7 from Ibotta, making the final cost $3.47 for the two. Not too shabby of a deal to me. I think that was a good deal, guys. You know, Father's Day is coming up, so I think that would be a good gift for someone. Next was the hand and soap, priced $3.97 in my Walmart. Didn't have a coupon, but there is a $2 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.97. Belvita was priced $3 in my Walmart, no coupon, but I had a $1 Ibotta rebate, final cost $2. I had a 10-cent any brand single serve soda. The Great Value Ginger Ale is 62 cents, making the final cost only 52 cents for the ginger ale. The So Fierce mascara, $6.97. I did have that coupons.com coupon. It's no longer available. Paid $3.97 in store, got back $6.97. Huge money maker. Next rebate was the Any Wine. This is a $5 rebate. Great value, guys. All right, so with this one, I found a wine that was priced $4.73, so that made it be a 27-cent moneymaker after the rebate. There was one for $2.50, but it wasn't on the shelf anymore. Here is a up-close picture of the wine that I picked. That was priced $4.73. And that made me get back my $5. You know, it was free. And it was actually a small little moneymaker. It was only a 27-cent moneymaker, but that's okay. I mean, it's free wine and all. Next is the Suavitel Complete, price $2.97. I paid that in store. I expect to get back $2 from Swag Bucks and $1.68 from Shopkick, making it free and a 71-cent money maker. My Hawaiian sub rolls, I'm not going to let my husband eat them this time. Price $3.78, $1 coming back, making it be $2.78. I got to get my chicken, guys. It was $4.74, $1.25 coming back from Ibotta. Final cost $3.49. And my ground chicken I'm going to use for Sloppy Joe's tonight, making it be $3.47, 75-cent rebate. Final cost $2.72. That's a good deal. Now, these blue bones, these little doggy bones were $3.98. I had to pay that in store, but there's $3.26 coming back from Shopkick. Okay, making the final cost only 72 cents. I think that's a great deal, guys. For these, I didn't do the other one. There is another rebate, but I didn't do it. Next rebate is for Shopkick. It's the Hershey's. You're going to purchase the little one for $98, but you're going to scan the big one to get your in-store kicks. It's going to make your final cost be only 14 cents. You're going to get 84 cents back from Shopkick. Great deal. Next is the Shopkick deal on the new M&M's Mix Classic or Peanut. These are in the candy right where the registry is, okay? They're priced $1.48. Didn't have a coupon. Now, Shopkick, for scanning in store and uploading receipt, is going to give you back $2.02, making it free and a 54 cents money maker. Now, while I was waiting in line, I seen these Pringles. They were priced $1. They were there by the register. there is a rebate for Ibotta for 25-cent and a 10-cent any chips. So I got these, making the cost only 65 cents. The next thing is from Target. It's the Fruit Leap, price $3.99. You're going to get back $2 from Ibotta, making the final cost only $1.99. Ocean Spray blends are $2.99. There's a $1 Ibotta rebate. Final cost $1.99. Next rebate at Target I did was on the Mighty Mott's juice. This was $2.99. There's a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost only $1.99 after the rebate.
All right, let's jump into the cost. How much did I pay? The total of everything, guys, now you know this was separate trips, was $59.13. I only had one coupon, which was $3 coming off, and I did use some gift cards. I used a $10 gift card from Swag Bucks and a $5 Shopkick gift card. So that dropped my cost down to $41.13 is what I had to pay in store. Now the rebates back from Ibotta was $29.42 in rebates. I did get a $5 midweek money maker that I completed for doing 10 rebates. That was great because they usually only give me $1 for doing like 15. Now I'm expecting $7.80 back from Shopkick and $2 from Swag Bucks. I'm shaking my head because every time I upload a receipt with them, you guys, there is some type of issue and I have to do a ticket. So I'm really considering deleting that app. It's just not worth the time and the energy for the little bit of money that I'm getting back. Just saying, okay? So after all the rebates that I'm expecting back, it will be absolutely free and a $3.09 money maker. I think that is great for the products that I got, guys. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please let me know in the comments below of the video. And give Coupon Crystal a thumbs up, please. Thank you very much. And if you are not already a member of the Coupon Crew, can you please go in the corner and hit that pink box, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell for notification so you will know when I come on and do a live, do a haul, do a video, a chit chat, or whatever I decide to do. You just never know. But I'm getting back on track, guys, because this past weekend was my birthday. So I'm back on track. I'm ready to keep on. Okay? I'm tired as crap though. I just declare. I feel like I got jet lag or something. I ain't go nowhere on the jet, but I'm tired. All right, guys, that's it. Remember, click to save, and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.